welcome back to my channel.
You're a star. I just want to show you you are. You should
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there. And make her come check you, my babe. No time, no.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to episode 2 of my moving series. So today we are going to be packing up my dorm room. So I have a dorm inspection on Tuesday where they have to come and inspect my dorm to make sure that it's all clean. And I'm gonna let y'all just see what it's looking like right now. So this is what we're working with. All my stuff here. Y'all kind of saw this in my first episode. Y'all kind of saw like how it was left. And I haven't been here for a few days, so this is literally what we're working with. So with that being said, I gotta deep clean. I gotta get stuff out that I don't need anymore. I'm gonna play some YouTube because I don't have a TV, and we're gonna get this figured out. If you guys didn't see my last episode, the first episode, go ahead and go and watch that. I fixed my audio, y'all, because my last video, it didn't record any of my audio. This might be like a few days in this vlog, but today we're gonna get this straightened out.
Low-key, all of them want they notice. I'm not joking, all my guys, them know me. Since
For now, I just pushed all the stuff that I'm gonna be using or packing in the middle. This stuff in a Ziploc bag because I'm gonna need that stuff. But now I'm gonna tackle this. This thing is broken. This had my makeup in it. I'm gonna take all this stuff out and put this in that bag right there, which was my makeup stuff.
I know the OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only knowing you. Music chose me, just know this and know this. I stay low-key, but I'm never lonely. Sexy ladies, come and feel me slowly.
That was heavy. That was very, very heavy. Woo. So now that I have moved everything out of that big old thingy and the thing from here, the makeup thing, I'm gonna move all of my products that are on the counter over to one of these areas that I have open space. So I forgot that I put the wallpaper behind the bar with a screwdriver, and I don't have a screwdriver. So I have to figure out how to get it out without a screwdriver. Them know me. Okay, y'all, so I just got done cleaning the bathroom area at the floor and swept. I'm gonna have to remove the toilet paper, so I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but everything on here is gone. I cleaned the mirrors, both of them. The wallpaper I screwed behind this, so I need to get a screwdriver to take the rest of it off, and then the bathroom will be done, and then we'll be able to tackle this mess. Right now, your girl is starving. I haven't eaten today, so I'm gonna go get something to eat, and then we'll get right back to it.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, it is much later and I decided that I was literally gonna nap because I was tired. And I literally need to not be tired because I don't have any time to be playing around. So you guys saw me do the kitchen. What? I don't have a kitchen. You guys saw me do the bathroom area. I now have to do my actual room. I'm gonna start off with the products that I put down here yesterday. I know this area looks very ghetto, but the products that I put over here yesterday, I'm gonna go through them and I'm gonna figure out exactly what I want to take home, what I want to keep, and what I'm gonna just throw away because there's no point in me even keeping it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have a small carry-on bag, but I know that I can't put liquids in that carry-on bag, so I'm gonna end up checking the ones that I have and then checking a carry-on bag. I mean, not checking a carry-on bag, bringing a carry-on bag with clothes. I'm gonna do clothes instead of putting that in, like putting liquids in there. So I'm gonna go through this stuff right now and see what I want, and then I have to also go through my perfume because I still have perfumes. That's what we're gonna do, and get that together, put them in Ziploc bags, throw away things that I don't need, don't want, get rid of the stuff on top of the refrigerator. I'm gonna be taking some of that stuff that's in the refrigerator over to my man's. Y'all didn't know I have a man's. So let's just get into it. It's 7:17. Alright y'all, so you guys just saw me finish putting all that stuff in the suitcase. Now I'm about to do my next suitcase, which is one of my big ones for my clothes. Y'all don't understand, I have to have all of this stuff out by 9 a.m. tomorrow. I can't lie, I've been procrastinating, and so the fact that it came this fast is my fault.
She like them boys with the big old chains, ride around town in the big old rain.